Hey there, Internet Explorers. Looking for free, unlimited internet in 2025? Whether you're dodging geo-blocks or guarding your privacy, a VPN's your go-to. Today, we're crowning Proton VPN's free version as the best free pick. But I'll also share why NordVPN is the premium upgrade you'll want. Links to try NordVPN at a great price are in the description. Let's get to it. Hunting for free, unlimited internet? You want a VPN that's secure, reliable, and doesn't cap your data. That's where Proton VPN shines in 2025. Its free plan offers unlimited bandwidth, perfect for streaming, browsing, or even bypassing restrictions in places with tight internet rules. With servers in 5 countries, like the US and Netherlands, you can access blocked sites or keep your data private on public Wi-Fi. Proton VPN's free version uses strong AES 256 encryption and a no-logs policy, so your activity stays yours. The catch? Speeds can be slower, and server options are limited, which might frustrate streamers or gamers. Now, if you're ready to level up, NordVPN is the premium VPN that blows free options out of the water. With over 6,300 servers in 111 countries, NordVPN delivers blazing fast speeds for 4K streaming, gaming, or downloading without a hitch. Its obfuscated servers let you bypass tough restrictions, perfect if you're in a censored region or just want to unlock global Netflix libraries. The kill switch ensures your real IP stays hidden if the connection drops, and military-grade encryption keeps your data locked down tight. NordVPN covers up to 10 devices, phones, laptops, you name it, with one easy-to-use subscription. Proton VPN's free plan is great for basic needs, but NordVPN's speed, server variety, and extra features like CyberSec, blocking ads and malware, make it the ultimate choice for unrestricted, secure internet. Whether you're at a cafe or traveling, NordVPN's got you covered. So Proton VPN's free version is your best bet for free unlimited internet, but NordVPN's premium power is worth every penny. Want the best? Click the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price with a 30-day money-back guarantee.